Hi, this is Chuck here from Midori Farm. We're not at the farm today, we're in Kyoto City at our house, but I'm here with my son Junya, and we're going to talk about these sweet potato plants. Junya, do you remember what we did for this?
We put good soil into a pot, and then we put fresh sweet potatoes into the pot too, and then we keep watering it.
That's right, we watered it really good, and then what happened?
They grew suddenly.
Yeah, these are called slips, sweet potato slips. And what we're going to do now is what? What are we going to do now?
Now we are going to get the slips out and putting them into the water.
Oh yeah, we do that. We take off the slips from the sweet potatoes or the soil, and we put them in a glass of water for a little while so the roots can grow out. And then we're going to be able to plant them at the farm, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do that now. Let's see you do one. Why don't you do, let's see, ooh, these are coming from the soil. Why don't you do this two right here so people can see what you're doing. Just gently grab it and pull, pull, pull until it comes off. That's it, that's it. Doing good. Ooh, two hands. Whoa, that's a strong one. Wow, you did it. Ooh, we got some roots on there. Good. Oh, that's two. You want to take the little one? The big one. Okay. Now we're going to remove the bottom leaves. And that's just so basically it can go into the glass of water. And then we're going to put it right into the water. Can you put mine in too?
Yep.
Good. Okay, some of them are going to be bigger than others. So we're going to do that for all of these right now. So keep watching. Okay, we've got all the biggest of the sweet potato slips out of the pot and off of the sweet potatoes. And now we're going to just make sure they're all in the water so that they can grow their little rootlets out and we can put them in the farm. So Junya, go ahead and put some more in here. Feed a few more, one at a time, please.
Two, about three, I think.
Okay, do three more. And we'll use the other cup for the rest of them. Got it? Nice. All right, let's do the other one. We'll put this here. That. And we got another cup of water here. Let's do the rest of them. Come stand over here, please.
Okay.
People don't want to see your butt. Come on over here.
Okay.
Good. Good. There's some right there too. More in there.
A little bit of sand went in my eye.
Oh, I hate that.
Because of the wind.
Because of the wind.
Yeah, maybe skaters did it.
Ooh, they threw it at you?
Maybe.
Ooh, those are bad
Because
cicadas.
yesterday I saw a skater and I took it and put it here.
Oh, he's going to get back at you.
Well, it's his,
Wait, where are the roots? What are you putting in there? I think that one's broken.
yeah.
That's okay, that one's okay.
Because this might grow, Paul.
It might grow. Yeah, let's put it in there. It's a good point.
Because this, just like this grew into a
That's right. That's right.
This
I think it
small
will.
thing.
That's right. And when we get to the farm, we don't need all of these. So what we'll do is we'll pick the best of the best. And we'll put those into the farm with the other sweet potatoes. I think putting them all in there at the same time is a bad idea.
Okay.
Maybe one or two at a time.
Don't do this at home, kids and grown-ups. It's so dangerous.
It is.
Even we're having a hard time, so.
And we're professionals, right?
Yeah. Don't do it.
Well, actually, I hope people do this at home. I mean, this is fun for all the family, and growing
Yeah, they
sweet
can do
potatoes
this, but
is fun.
not put like 4 in one.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. Wow, those are so long.
Oh.
Look at how long that one is. That's like the king. It is so big. Don't step on the potato plants.
It's as tall as me.
Wow, that's big.
Because I'm 135.
Is that 135 centimeters
Oh wait,
long?
I think I'm 139, but this is about like 1 meter.
I see about 1 meter.
Oh, it's not gonna fit. I know. Coil it, coil it, coil it, coil it.
There you go.
Coil it, coil it.
It'll kind of
Done.
hold the other ones together. That looks good too.
You could do this. It's really good. It's a
Pro tip.
pro tip. Do this at home.
It's fun, right?
Yeah, it's really fun.
And we love sweet potatoes, right?
Yeah, so if there's nothing in the world, we could just eat this and this.
Sweet potatoes are so healthy. It's one
Yeah.
of my favorite plants. You know why? Because we can eat the sweet potatoes, of course, but we can also eat the sweet potato leaves. And
Yeah.
they're yummy.
And you can make mashed potatoes, soup,
Mm-hmm.
stew.
And
Salad.
Ishiakimo.
Oh, yeah.
Which you love.
Yeah.
Which is,
Every Friday.
for people who don't speak Japanese, what is it? What's Ishiakimo?
It's potatoes, which
Sweet
is
potatoes.
sweet potatoes, which are cooked from like
Slow roasted, right?
yeah.
With rocks.
Yeah, and then like it's in like a rock house, and then you just put it in. And then like 2 minutes, it's really hot and it's really sweet.
Is it only 2 minutes? I think it's more like 2 hours. I have no idea. I've never made
No.
it.
It's actually like 5 minutes.
Oh, wow. That's really fast.
I think.
Well, we should research. I
Yeah.
think you're still stepping on some plants here.
Sorry.
Do you know that? That's okay. Do you think there's any difference between potatoes and sweet potatoes?
The color.
Well, did you know they're actually totally different plants? They're not. Sweet potato is not a kind of potato, actually.
Hey, isn't this the thing that Totoro was doing?
Yeah. Looks like it. Well, Junya, I think we're all done. Look at all the sweet potato slips we got from those sweet potatoes you planted about a month and a half ago. Isn't this great?
Yep.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Would you come stand over here?
If you get a Totoro figure, you could just put this on.
That's true. Now, what do you think about these slips?
Put them on sun, water them, even they're still in water. Water the edges,
Mm-hmm.
and
Make sure they don't run out of water, right?
yeah, and then make sure the ants or something are not eating it.
Ah, good
I think
idea.
they won't eat it, but
And then next week, when we go to the community farm event, we'll put them in the farm. Sound good?
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.